Hi guys, in this video we are going to use a program, a photo editing program like Photoshop. It's called Gimp. You can find it in the start menu and the program that starts with the letter G, or you can do this, right click, more, pin to a taskbar. Okay, I will upload this video and the source of the program, okay, on OneDrive, so that you can download it and install the program to try what we will do in this video. Okay, we can open it from here. Okay, at first the most important windows we are going to use is the toolbox and the tool options. What if you didn't find them? From Windows menu you can choose here new toolbox, and when you open the toolbox, double click on any tool in here like this. The tool options will open by default. Okay, first we are going to use file menu, new. We will make a white sheet with dimensions 800 and 600. Okay, like this. We are going then to change the foreground color and the background color. The foreground, we are going to make it, for example, pink or purple, okay, and the background we are going to make it this color, whatever it is. Okay, then we are going to use the blend tool. Can you see this blend tool? It will make a gradient between these two colors, as you can see, like this. All you have to do, click and drag like this. Okay, this is the first tool we are going to use. The second tool is the text tool. Can you see this? The text tool. Click anywhere and start writing any word. Gimp, for example, Gimp. As you can see, the text is with small, you can't see it, and it by default take the color of the foreground color. Okay, you can change from here. You also change the size and the font type. Let's see how. Like this, we change the size like this, change the font type. For example, we're going to choose this, and change the color like this. For example, we are going to use black. Okay, then this is it. You first choose the foreground and the background color, use the blend tool, then click and drag, then use the text tool, write anything, for example your name, anything you want, then change the color, the size and the type of font, and then file, save as. Then if you want to save it, just save it like this, for example on the desktop, and save. This is it. Okay, thank you and bye.